we are back and I am here to show you how I achieve my wanded curl look. I recently received this. By the way, I love Mercy hair extensions. I've been using her hair for the past year, and to be honest with you, I have not been underwhelmed, okay? This is the raw Indian hair in 5 bundles because, like I said, your hair has to be memorable, okay? There's no reason for you to have extensions and people don't remember you when you walk into the room. I mean, I just don't understand. So there are 5 bundles in here, 3 bundles of 26 and 2 bundles of 28. I wanted to just try it out and see like what, you know, a little bit of length feels like on me. And yeah, this is what I have right now. And by the way, I have gotten this blown out and it was straight. So now, and I think that's the mistake I made. I should have just had it like in the raw form and, you know, wanded it from there. Because when it's in the raw form and you wand the hair from there, it's a lot better. It has the texture you need. Right now it's a bit silkier and it's not necessarily holding in the curls the way I'd like for it to, but it's still all good in the hood, all right? So I will show you how I get this done. Stay tuned. So what you will need is this Remington 1-inch curling wand, just to get these like barrel curls going. And I have wanded most of my hair off camera. As you can see, some of it is wavy and some of the curls have fallen. So I just have my closure left to go, and I'm going to show you guys. And by the end of this, I'll show you like the different looks you can achieve with the raw Indian hair. I will show you guys how to curl your hair. All right, here we go. Get little sections, not too thick. Make sure it's small because you want those curls to actually like be activated. And then you just wand. There you go. And let it sit. All right, there we go. Bam. And you just continue doing this over and over and over again. Also, for the temperature of this thing, make sure you have it all the way up to 410. That's the only way you can actually achieve the magic and make sure that the heat penetrates through the strands of your hair. Make sure you have it at 410. And also with these bundles, you know, the longer the hair, the less curl pattern, the less definition you have in the curl pattern. So, you know, with the shorter bundles, with the 20, the 18s, 22s, you see more definition in the curl pattern. But I found that like this one is a lot more looser than the rest of the bundles that I've had with her, but that's totally fine with me. It's completely okay with me, all right? So what's been going on with you guys? What have you guys been listening to keep your spirits up and uplifted? We are currently in a season, honey. A season that a lot of us, I'm sure a lot of us can't wait to get out of, but what seeds are you planting in this season to come out fruitful on the other side? These are real questions. There's still things to do. How are you equipping your mind to come out on the other side? This is a time for a lot of us to just zero in and work on our personal development. Because I find that those are things that you just don't get the chance to do when you are faced with the day-to-day. You don't actually have time to ponder on and reflect on the things that, on the things that are of the spirit, the things that nourish your soul, the things that make you more mindful of just life itself. So, it's a season. And for me, what I've been doing to just keep myself motivated. Ooh, that was a pretty curl. Pretty curl. Motivated is obviously doing the work. Doing the work on myself. I gained like 30 pounds last year. I just thought, you know what? I am living my best life. And for the first time, I just wanted to enjoy my life without, worrying about, oh, I have to maintain this size to book campaigns, or I have to look this way to appease my audience. So I lived my best life. I ate, I actually savored my food, and I reveled in it. And I got so big to the point where my joints were hurting. And when that starts happening, honey, it is time to let go. So in this season, I have been working on doing things in moderation. I think that's the best way to put it. Doing things in moderation and being more mindful of the things that I'm actually putting in my body. Okay, sorry. Look at how, wait a minute. I need a close-up of this, because just look at this. Look at this. Oh my God. It's just the best thing ever. You know what? I forgot how much I actually love doing hair. So for those of you guys who don't know, I've been doing hair since I was 11 years old. When we moved from Nigeria to the States, I remember them my aunt called my mom and she said, the only thing that can give you guys a job as soon as you guys move to the States is if you learn how to do hair. So of course, I didn't waste time. I did not waste my time. My best friend at the time, Grace, she's late right now. She actually taught me how to braid, and I also spent time watching my aunt do people's hair, and that's how I learned how to do hair. So when I got to the States in high school, middle school, I was a hustler, honey. Look, $80 for that sew-in, I was getting it. Yep. And it's just something that I really enjoyed. I enjoyed the process of transformation from taking someone, that looks like a house girl and turning them into a wife. Honey, what do you mean? The power of transformation. Yeah, so I've been doing hair for a good minute. It just got so tedious and time consuming. So I took a break. But this does not mean I'm about to be putting up a lot of hair content. No, nah. It's not what I do. I don't give reviews. I just like what I like, and I share it with you guys. And if you like it, good. If you don't like it, pele, sorry for you. All right. Almost done with the top here. Okay. All right, and we still have this side left to go. Oh my God, it's so pretty. I feel like Pocahontas. Maybe Pocahontas. I don't even know. It's okay. But yeah, we'll now do this other side. And sometimes another thing you can do also, just to make sure that your curls don't necessarily look too uniformed. I don't like when all the curls are too identical, you know? So what you can do is grab large chunks and also grab like smaller chunks. That way you can just mix it in together and it looks more natural. All right, ladies, here we have our final look. We have our Mercy Raw Indian hair in the bundles, 3 bundles of 26 and 2 bundles of 28. And let me know what you think. I also will be trying on other looks from this particular brand, just so you can see what it's like when it's blown out, and also see what it's like when it's in its natural state. So stay tuned. Alright, so here we have my Parisian hair. This was the hair I wore last summer in Paris. I went in and I added some blonde strands in there just to give it a little bit of something, you know, that something, give it a little bit of oomph. So this is what it looks like in its raw state. See that? Beautiful, curly, textured, and it's loose curls too. I love the fact that the curls are very, very loose, and you know, it just gives you that really darling, soft look, and that is why I love the raw Indian hair. And it doesn't require much. Like I told you guys in the last video, I'm a very, very simple, lazy person when it comes to my hair. So for me, it's just always nice to have, you know, hair from people that I don't necessarily have to manipulate a lot. So I'm going to try this on camera and you guys will see what this looks like. This one has a nice fringe in front, which is different from me, but I love it. This is my I don't care, I'm going to the market hair, okay? She's different, she's cute, I like her. Haven't named it yet, but hey, how you doing? How you doing? So all I did with this was wash it, put it under the blow dryer, and you know, there you have it. It's in its raw state right now, without being blow dried or anything like that. And this is what it looks like in its curly state, the raw Indian in its curly state. And I believe this is 18, like 2 bundles of 18 and 2 bundles of 20 to achieve this nice bob look and feel that we have going on here. I haven't named her. I think I will name this one Angelina. And here we have the 2 22s and 2 20s in a wig that's already been sewn on, and this is what it looks like when you blow it out. This is just like blown out, easy peasy. And I love this. I've been wearing this for the past couple of weeks. I just want to show you guys what this also looks like as well. All right. I just love how raw, like it just, I feel like a Bollywood princess. And I know a lot of y'all have an issue with the fact that I wear my wig up here. Listen, if I want to wear my wig close to my eyebrows, like literally sitting right on top of my eyebrows, I can do that. It's my prerogative, okay? Mind your business, mind your wig, leave me alone. Thank you.